Welcome to Butler Community College and to Canvas, Butler's learning management system. When you first log into Canvas, you'll see this page here. This is your dashboard. On your dashboard, you should see a card for each course that you are currently enrolled in. On this page, there are two other things to pay close attention to. One is the far left-hand navigation menu, which includes, like I said, your dashboard, also your full list of courses, as well as your inbox, which is basically like any other email system for communicating with your instructor and fellow students. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a list of upcoming projects for you to complete. When you first click on your course card on your dashboard, you'll be taken to the course's homepage. This basically is a shortened syllabus with basic information about the course. You'll notice here on the left-hand side another navigation menu that has appeared. You can toggle this menu on and off using the three bars at the very top. Next, let's check out the syllabus. The syllabus has all the essential information for the course. Information about your instructor, the meeting time and place for the course, information about the course itself, as well as dates for the course that are coming up. Let's check out modules. Modules is where you will see the sequence for the course. It is in modules that you will navigate through the course, finding the instructional materials as well as all of the assignments that you will be completing throughout the semester. When you first click on modules, you should see this introductory module with basic information about the course, how to respond to fellow students, and information about your instructor, information about external software, and other info. As you scroll down, you'll see the individual modules that you'll be completing throughout the course. In these modules, it's broken down into a few segments. First, you'll see the Objectives and Activities page. This page has information about what you will be completing and understanding throughout the course. Below that, you'll see the learning activities for the course, including instructor notes, which is like the actual lesson that you will be learning each week. In the Module 1 discussion that you see there, and in any discussion, that'll be basically like you're communicating with the students as though you're in a face-to-face course. Below that, you'll see the assignments that are due. For example, Module 1 assignment shows a paper is due, as well as a quiz below that. Let's see what it looks like to submit an assignment. When you've typed your paper and you're ready to submit, you'll see a Submit button in the very top right corner. Go ahead and push that button. You'll see an option open where you'll have the chance to choose the file that you want to upload. From there, go ahead and select your file, and then you'll just push the VeriCite submission box, and then push Submit Assignment. If you're wanting to see your performance in the course, push Grades in the left-hand side. Here you can see all of the assignments that are due and those that you have already submitted for and what your performance was on that assignment. If the instructor has posted an announcement, that'll appear in the Announcements tab. Here you can see what the instructor has said to you, and you can respond to that. There are a few other tools I want to point out. One is the Virtual Student Online Orientation. If you're curious about how to do anything in Canvas, this is a great place to go. It has all the information about how to submit assignments, navigate the course, how to communicate with the instructor, and other information. The Butler Resources tab has information about services and departments available at Butler Community College should you have questions about it, including information about the registrar, advising, the library, and other information. The Library Resources tab has information about databases that are available to you for scholarly research and other assistance for your courses. One last thing I'll mention here is Office 365. All students have access to Office products through Office 365. You'll just need to enter your Butler credentials, and then you'll have the ability to utilize Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and others. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the EdTech office, and we wish you the best.